wait times to get accurate diagnostic results.
Third, we're going to develop better diagnostic tools.
I've called on Congress to approve about $1.9 billion in emergency funding for our efforts at home and abroad, including research into better diagnostic tools, new vaccines, improved methods of mosquito control, and support for Puerto Rico and territories where there are confirmed cases. And our scientists and public health professionals will work with partners across the hemisphere to prevent the spread of the Zika virus and work together actively for diagnostic and vaccines that can make a real difference. And I'm actually quite optimistic that we'll be able to find a diagnostic tool and a vaccine for Zika.
Here's the good news, is that because of the good work that's been done by the Department of Health and Human Services, by the CDC, as well as NIH, we have put forward a plan. We've got a plan over the next several months to begin developing a vaccine and to continually improve our diagnostic tests.